Welcome to the channel. Let's generate trending AI images. Let's head over to Google and search the stylar.ai website. Make sure you sign up in the website for free and click on New Project. Go to Text to Image and click on it. Choose any style and write your prompt. Click on Stylize. If you want more images, just rewrite your prompt. For downloading these images, just click any one of the image or click one by one and click on Place on Canvas. You can see all the images are on the layer section. Now hit on Export, select all layers and export all the images. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another tutorial.